in Abhyangam, that is Parivartika. In the treatment, we have to do first Abhyanga of the Medra with Grita, then Swetanam, Upanahanam, then again Abhyangam. That is after the getting Abhyangam, we have to do what the prepuce is pulled forward slowly and the money is pushed, glans penis is pushed in. So like that, we have to try to cover the glans penis. And after that, again, we have to do Swedanam, like Upanaha Svedam with the Salvanadi Upanaham. Vadahara Salvanadi Upanaha is explained. Then next coming to Avapadika. Avapadika. Avapadika actually it is a Alpiya kham yada harshat balam gache striyam naraha hasta abhighadad adava charmanyu udvartide palat mardana पीडनात् वापि शुक्रवेग विघादात् Yasya avapadide charmam tam vidyat avapadika. So what happens? Either because of the man copulating with a narrow vaginal orifice woman or young woman or trauma by hands also, or because of shukraveka dharana, the skin of the prepuce is rolled up and there will be cracks also. That is different. There will be cracks. So that crack of the penis, that is the main heading, that avapadika meaning is crack of the penis. So the major charmam is will be everted slightly and there will be crack. So in that treatment is similar to parivartika only. Then coming to next Niruddha Prakasham. That is also Niruddha Prakasham and Sanniruddha Gudam. Mostly even ask for five more question for together like Sanniruddha Gudam and Niruddha Prakasham. Both terms are very important. So Niruddha Prakasham. So Vadopasrishtam tu Charma Samshrede Manim मणिश्चर्मोपनद्धस्तु मूत्रस्रोतो रुणद्धि च निरुद्धप्रकाशे तस्मिन् मन्ददारमवेदनं मूत्रं प्रवर्तते जन्तोर्मणिर्न च विदीर्यते निरुद्धप्रकाशं विद्यात् दुरूढां च अवपाडिकाम्. So mainly the dosha is vada, vadopasrishtam. The vada is aggravating and affecting or localizing in the mani charma or the so this is the phimosis, the prepuce or the mani charma is affected and it is getting closed. So it is getting swollen and it is blocking the urethra. So mostly it occurs in small babies or in later stage due to any other complications like smegma formation and all. But usually phimosis occurs in small kids. Then prepuce will be getting swollen and it blocks the urethra. That is astrodo, mutra srodo runadi. There is obstruction and resulting in mandadaram avedanam. The stream of the urine is low and there will be avedanam. Avedanam. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, it is told Vedana is painful. It is then not cracked. Here the difference between this one and avapadika is there is no cracking of the glans penis and sometimes improperly healed avapadika also result in niruddha prakasham. That is in the last line. Niruddha prakasham vidyat durudam cha avapadika. So avapadika if not properly healed also result in niruddha prakasham. So that is correlated to phimosis. It is important. Then treatment here the nadi yandra Dvimugala Nadi Yandra is used. Niruddha Prakashe Nadim Lohim Upeyodo Mukim. I think PG students are there means you can by heart this slogan. It is very important. Like so in Yandra we have seen the Nadi Yendra will be learning. So in that Ubedo Mugada Nadi we can use. It can be either made of Dharavi or Jadukridam or Loham. Either using Ubedo Muganadi made of Loha, Dharavi or uh, Jadukridam, which is smeared with a ghee, should be introduced into the urethra. And then after that, Parishega using Vasa Majja of Shishumara. Some of the animals they have explained, Shishumara and Varaha. So Vasa Majja can be used for Parishega or we can use Chakradaila boiled with Vadagna Aushada. Chakradaila boiled with the Vadagna Aushada. Then next day we have to introduce Sthulatara Nadi. So like anal dilators and all we are using like urethral dilators are there. So like that Sthulatara Nadi inserted after every 3 days. So for the Strodho Vivardhanartham, for increasing the size of the urethra, we have to increase the size of the nadi or the tube used, and we have to increase the Srodhas. Then Snigdha Anna Bhojana. We have to give Snigdha Anna Bhojana. Otherwise, we have to do circumcision, that is Bedana. We have to remove that excision of the uh, actually incision means bedana means bedana of the prepuce or the skin covering that area should be inside. So modern in that we are doing circumcision. So without with protecting seveni, we have to do circumcision. In modern we have to learn that. So after that Sadhyakshadava Chigilsa. Next coming to Sanniruddha Gudam. So Sanniruddha Gudam, it is Vega Sandaranat Vegasandaranat Vayurvihado Gudamashridaha Nirunaddi Mahashodha Sushmadwaram Karodi cha Margasi Saushmyat Krishena Purisham Tasya Gachadi Sanniruddha Gudam Vyadimenam Vidyat Sudustaram. So what is explained? Because of Vegasandaranam. What happens? Vadakopam. As you all know, Vadakopa happens and it is localized in Gudamashridam. Simple slokam. Vegasandaranat Vayurvihado Gudamashridaha. What happens? Nirunaddi Mahatsrodhaha. It is causing obstruction to the alimentary tract or GIT. Mahatsrodha means Mahasrodhas is alimentary tract or GIT. Sushmadwaram Karodicha. The opening, that is the anus. Anus opening is becoming small. Sushmadwaram Karodicha. Margasya Saukshmyat Krishrena Purisham Tasya Gachadi. So because of the track is or the opening is small, Krishrena Purisham, the difficulty to pass pieces. So Sanniruddha Gudam Vyadimenam Vidya Sudustaram. So it is actually Krishrasadhyam. So similar to phimosis or Niruddha Prakasha, how explained the Nadi dilators or anal dilators we can use. Like that we can use for anal strictures. It can be correlated to anal strictures. So treatment is similar to Niruddha Prakasham. Next coming to Vrishana Kachu. Vrishana Kachu Snanotsadana Heenasya Malo Vrishana Samshritaha Yada Praklidyade स्वेदात् कण्डूं सञ्जनयेत् तदा तत्र कण्डूयनात् क्षिप्रं स्फोटः श्रावश्च जायते प्राहुर्वृषणकच्चू तां श्लेष्म रक्तकोपजां. So involvement of the श्लेष्म and rakta, kapha and raktaja disease, it is vrishana kachu. So obviously there will be the nidana. Either it is not making clean. The snanodsadana heenasya. Either we are not they are not used in cleaning the penis properly, or any abhinga is not done. What happens? The dirt or smegma formation will be there, and result in kandu, spodum, and strava. Spoda, like vesicles, it will be appearing. Then strava will be appearing. So like that. It is the itching in the penis. Vrishana kachu or mushka kachu, the term is used. Then treatment will be actually similar to ahipudana. So ahipudana next we will be explaining. So already I think in Kaumar Vritya you have learned that mainly the diaper rashes will be told. So in that treatment is given. So no need of ahipudana. We are not having that much importance, but still related to anus only. So we can just go through that. So what happens in that? The apana or gudha is the sthana, and what happens in shishu or in small babies, because of the anus is coming into contact with the not cleaning properly, the feces is coming contact. The ulcers will be appearing, or any scratches or spoda, and resulting in ulcer. So that is called ahipudana. In that treatment, starting for children means we have to give shodhana for mother. So that is the. Then Grita medicate with patola, triphala, etc. Then Triphala Kola Kadira Kashaya for Shalana, Laban of Kasisa, Gorojana, Tutta, Haridala, Risanjana. So like that we have to do for the Vrishana Kachu also. In that we can use all these lepas and Shalana trivias we can use for Vrishana Kachu also. Next coming to the last one, that is Gudha Brahmsham. Pravahana Adisarabhyam Nirgachati Gudam Bahi Ruksha Durbala Dehasya Tam Gudabramsham Adishet. So what do you mean by Gudabramsham? Modern, we can correlate it as rectal prolapse. That is Nidanam, Adisarabhyam Pravahanam. Either we are straining or we are having any diarrhea. Especially in the Ruksha Durbala Deha. So either maybe because of constipation or because of excessive diarrhea. What happens? Nirgachadi Gudam Bahi. The rectum is prolapsing out to the exterior. So what is the treatment? Gudabramshe Gudam Swinnam Snehaviktam Praveshe Karyet Gofanabandam Madhya Chidrena Charmana Vinirgamartam Vayoscha Swedeyecha Muhurmuhu Shiri Panjam Mahat Panchamulam Mushikam Cha Andhra Varshidam Pakwa Tasmin Pajet Tailam Vadagna Aushada Samyudam Gudabramshamidam Krishram Panabhyangat Prasadanam. So what you have to do? Snehabhyangam, Snehana or Abhyangam, then Swedanam. After that we have to push the rectum or reduce the rectum inside Praveshi. After that we have to do Gofana Bandhan using Madhya Chidrena Charma. Why the Madhya Chidra should be there? For Vayu Nirgamanartham. Then after that again we have to do Svedana Muhur Muhu. Svedayek Muhur Muhu. Then for Pana and Abhyanga, one special taila is explained, like Mushika Tailam or Undur Tailam is called. That is, taila is prepared with a Shira, Mahat Panchapula and Vadakna Aushada and Andhra Varjida Mushika is taken and prepared. Taila is used for Pana and Abhyanga. So it is explained as Krishna Sadhya. So that is the end of the all the Shudra Rogas, which is having Shalya importance. So it is mild to start with. Sometimes it is the most dreadful and actually to look at diseases. Susruta Charya has given that much importance only is explained in the Chikitsa Sthana just after the major diseases. So coming to and treatment area, some of the lepas and all we can try actually. That much easily available or easy preparable drugs are given. And other Shudra Rogas will be dealing with in Ashalak and KC. So I'm concluding, winding up the session with the conclusion that Shudra Rogas have more importance in clinical aspects like Sharmakila or any, there's one Kadara and all. We are having all the clinical practice which is more beneficial than any allopathic management. Try to utilize the knowledge of Sushra Samhita and scope of more research. Coming to the important questions, you can see that 10 mark it can be asked as a number of Shudra Rogas according to Sushruta and describe any 10. So I have actually almost 10 only I have covered. So we can see that you can write notes or share the notes and how to explain means how to write. Either if you are two types you can study, like either you can take the printout of the notes and mark it with a highlighter and make it points, like 10 points we need. You have to explain that. You have to understand and learn, make or 10 points for each, and you can explain. Otherwise, you seeing this, how to write that topic, we have to, I told in the starting cell, the contents. We can explain it by that headings. So just 2-3 points in each heading. You just try to rememberize in daily when you are going to next topic also. You just try to rememberize all these questions, the answers or the headings. You just try to rememberize, then only for exam point of view it will be good. So second question is Chippa and Paranoia. Paranoia is a small topic that you can only refer, that's okay. Then Kadara and corn in modern, actually either corn, what, then hypertrophic scar, uh, keloid, all these we can refer as small topic only that you can refer and write. Then Kunaka and Chippa is asked. Niruddha Prakasha Saniruddha Guda. I already told it is most frequently asked for 5 mark question. Then Parivartika, Avapadika. Then difference between Parikartika and Parivartika. So I told Fishery Nano is Parikartika. So that is reference we will be sharing during anorectal disease. Then Gudabramsha in rectal prolapse also we will be discussing. These are the references. So any questions you can ask. Thank you. Anjana, doctor.
Yes, thank you, doctor. The participant can ask their queries and also unmute themselves and ask directly to the doctor or can put in the chat box.
Okay, one question is there in chat box, first portion and last portion. So once you just imagine one lump is there, we are trying to reduce that portion. So first, like a loop, like it is coming out. So once, hello, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible. You can read it out that question and tell the answer.
Okay, so first and last portion means first we are trying a loop of intestine. You just imagine. So one we are trying to insert it back. So we are the sac will be the neck of sac will be holding with the like if you imagine left hand you are keeping in the neck of the sac and we are trying to push it back. So the first part, when we are doing the insertion, the first part of the loop will be difficult in case of which one? Which it will be difficult during intestine. The first part will be difficult, but once we are almost it is end means it will go by itself. You can imagine it is a loop of intestine. So it is like thick consistency, like elastic consistency, a little bit rubber like. So once it is gone almost inside means it will be going easy. But what happens in the case of momentum, it will be very duffy, like it will be like it is not it is flexible, it is not much we can't hold it properly, it is fat accumulated thing. So in the starting portion it will be very difficult. You understood, I think you understood, like starting portion we sorry in momentum, in case of momentum that what you told, I also got confused. I think she will be understanding the condition, like first portion and last portion means when we are doing the reduction at that time how we are getting, that is different between the momentum and intestine. So main difference is that in the starting of momentum, I'll just share, if I want to share it again I'll just share. Sorry. Is it okay, or should I share? So yes, you can see the first part is more difficult to reduce than the last part, that is androsil. Last part will be slipping away. In omentocin means it is already like a very fatty things are there. So first part goes in easily, but lastly it will be trying to come out because there is no pull from inside. But intestine means it is somewhat elastic means it will go inside easily. I think it is clear. Anything else?